In this video, I'll guide you through how to share dashboards in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a dashboard, share it with the right people, and control what they can and can't do with it. Let's start from the beginning. First, open the dashboard you want to share. In your ClickUp workspace, go to the dashboards area and choose the one you'd like others to see. Make sure you're on the correct dashboard, especially if you have several with similar names. It's a good idea to quickly scan the widgets and data shown there just to confirm everything on that dashboard is ready to be shared with your team or clients. Once your chosen dashboard is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled Share. This is your main control for deciding who can access this dashboard. Go ahead and click that Share button. When you do, a sharing or permissions panel will open, usually as a pop-up or a sidebar, depending on your current ClickUp layout. Inside this sharing panel, you'll be able to invite people. To do this, look for the field where you can type a name or an email address. Start by entering the name of someone already in your workspace, or if you're sharing with someone new, type their email address. As you type, ClickUp may suggest existing users. You can click on the right person from the list to avoid sending access to the wrong contact. If you're adding an email that isn't already part of your workspace, ClickUp will typically send them an invitation to join or view depending on your settings. Take a moment to double check each name or email before you confirm. Sharing a dashboard often means exposing important metrics, project statuses, or client information, so it's worth being careful at this stage. Once you've added everyone you want to include, you're ready to set their permissions. Next, you'll set permissions by choosing the access level for each person you've invited. In the sharing panel, you'll see options that determine what they can do with the dashboard. Common access levels include things like view only, where someone can see the dashboard but can't change it, or edit access, where they can modify widgets, filters, or layout. Some setups might also let you grant admin style control, which usually includes managing who else can access the dashboard. Think about each person's role before you choose an access level. For example, stakeholders or clients often only need view access so they can check progress without accidentally changing anything. Team leads or project managers, on the other hand, might need edit permissions so they can update widgets and adjust the data being displayed. If you're ever unsure, it's safer to start with more limited access and then increase permissions later if needed. After you've assigned the appropriate access level to each person, confirm or save your changes in the sharing panel. Once that's done, your dashboard is now shared, and the people you invited will be able to access it according to the permissions you set. That's all there is to it. Open the dashboard, click Share, invite people by name or email, and then choose their access level. With these steps, you can confidently share dashboards in ClickUp while staying in full control of who sees what and how they interact with your data.